If you're dealing with a Bosch dishwasher that isn't as fresh as it used to be, you might be wondering how to clean dishwasher Bosch effectively. Over time, food particles, grease, and soap residue can build up, affecting not only the smell but also the performance of your machine. Luckily, keeping your Bosch dishwasher clean isn't complicated. Let me guide you through the steps. To get started, you'll need some basic cleaning supplies: white vinegar, baking soda, a soft cloth, a sponge, and an old toothbrush. These items will help tackle the main areas that need regular cleaning: the filter, spray arms, and the interior of the dishwasher. First, let's start with the filter. This is a common place for buildup that can lead to odor and even blockages. To access it, remove the lower rack and locate the filter at the bottom of the dishwasher. Twist it out, then rinse it under warm water. If there's any stubborn residue, use the toothbrush to scrub gently. Cleaning this part is essential in understanding how to clean dishwasher Bosch effectively, as it's where most trapped food particles collect. Next, move on to the spray arms. These arms have small holes that can get clogged over time, affecting how well your dishwasher cleans. Remove the spray arms. Usually, they snap out of place easily, and rinse them under warm water. You can use the toothbrush to gently clear out any debris from the holes. Keeping these parts clear will ensure that water flows freely and your dishes come out spotless. Now that you've addressed the essential components, let's clean the interior. Place a cup of white vinegar in a dishwasher-safe bowl on the top rack, then run a hot water cycle. The vinegar will break down grease and remove any lingering odors. After that cycle finishes, sprinkle a cup of baking soda across the bottom of the dishwasher and run a short hot water cycle. This step will help neutralize odors and leave the interior fresh. Learning how to clean dishwasher Bosch this way ensures that you're tackling all areas where dirt and grime tend to accumulate. Lastly, take a damp cloth and wipe down the door gasket, the rubber seal around the door. This part can also collect grime and mold, so cleaning it regularly is crucial for maintaining freshness. Run your cloth or sponge along the entire length of the gasket, paying attention to the folds. By following these steps on how to clean dishwasher Bosch, you'll keep your machine in excellent working condition. Regular monthly cleaning will prevent odor buildup, improve cleaning performance, and extend the lifespan of your dishwasher. I recommend setting a reminder to do this once a month, especially if you use your dishwasher daily. And remember, if you ever notice persistent issues even after cleaning, it might be a sign that your Bosch dishwasher needs a deeper inspection or service. I hope this guide helps, and that your dishwasher is back to running smoothly and smelling fresh.